Okay, anyways, what's up guys? Welcome to my new channel. My channel for dating. Anyways, my CEO just said we have a new judgment, which is my teacher. I just found out. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. 4th grade teacher, oh my gosh. Wait. So anyways, I gotta create a flag over here, and then let me change this. I don't know why it's called airline, but it's gaming channel. Just name it air. Ooh, so what they color is blue. Panda Club Air. Okay, as you can see, I just bought the CRJ20. I just tested them and they suck. Of course, we need to grab not the suitcase, I meant the red suitcase. Anyways, of course we need hat. So anyways, during the flight, I bought a new shirt. Let me see. I like the old shirt, but this is this. Wow, exclusive. Looks like. Okay, we bought this flight. New York City. I need some doubles. Okay. Of course, we need a CRJ20. Okay, get out of my way. Okay, Panda Club Air. This way. Where's my cake? I need to afford it. So in this video we're gonna wait, caddy. Finally can buy a caddy. Okay, woohoo. Anyways, thank I love the theme color. I can finally go back. Control myself. Okay. Dang, I like the blue. Okay, of course we need to upgrade it. Kinda slow. Okay, just board already, duck! Oh, the door's already open. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. Okay, anyways, I need to put my body music on. I don't know what it is. Okay, I need to close it. They're not allowed to go in the captain. Okay, anyways. Cabin crew simulator. Okay. Stole your tray, bro.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Let me close this door with what? Okay, the button. We've got to close over this because the passengers are super crazy. What was my teacher then? Oh, hi, Miss Grant. Sorry. Hi, Miss Lorette. Nice to meet you, Miss Lorette. I didn't see you. It's beautiful before, Miss Lorette. Have an enjoyable flight. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Panda Club Air. Welcome aboard the flight. This is your last air host from the last flight. Welcome aboard. So, please, for your safety, please put your tray table up and put your seat upright and put your seatbelt on and put your big luggage in the overhead bin and put your small luggage in front of you and complete underneath it. And today's flight, we're going to New York City, 5 hours and 30 minutes. I hope you enjoy the flight. Thank you for flying Panda Club Air. And thank you for eating all my menus except for Miss Gray. Love you. Also, this is a special flight to me because my teacher, Miss Lorenz, is on the flight. So please clap for Miss Lorenz. Thank you. Okay, no emergency info. Know that it's wasting my time. Okay, skip taxi.
Flight attendants,
I think
please
we
be
need
seated
a
to
new
take off.
air calibrity. Okay, yes. Okay, let me take off. Guys, rate this outfit. It's kind of good on me, but I kind of not my fit. I kind of like this traditional now. Now I'll keep this on. I really like the Gormia smell, which is Miss Lawrence, right? I think it's kind of her favorite shirt. Uniform, I can really tell, but it's like $13,000. It's like Gucci for some reason, or Royal Lex watch for some reason. Okay, anyways, question that change the lights. Even I know.
This is your captain from the flight deck.
And
We have
whoa,
reached
look
our
at
cruising
that
altitude.
fact.
Flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Panda Club Air that I just said, and thank you for eating my whole menu. Miss Lawrence. So, of course, she will take ginger ale. Let me see. Do we have ginger ale? She loves ginger ale. Let me see. Oh, she will like a tip, a cup of tea. Thank you, Miss Lawrence. Not like the other people. I mean, oh yeah, we have ginger ale. Miss Lawrence, you don't? Need a coffee? Oh man, I upgrade the seat. Okay, you want a cup of what? Oh, you fatty? You fatty pig! Okay, not mix. 1 hour later. Okay, that goes to 1 o'clock. Lunch. Ginger ale. Look at those fatty. Look at those fatty. And they're not even halfway done. This fatty. Finally, now I'm ginger ale. You need some peanut? The PP peanuts. Okay, I got it. And then your nut mix. Oh my god, how many is it? I'm impatient because of the fatty pig. It's not for the fat, because it's more fatter. How many times I told you to not eat Cheetos? My friend Parker always eats Cheetos and he's chunky like that. Anyways. Oh, hey, Lyndon. Thank you for eating my whole menu. You big back, Lyndon. My God. Oh. Not that handsome. Look at your body. Okay, where do you want to go, grandfather? What do you mean? I'm gonna kick you out this fight. is it. Right. Okay, last but not least, big back. And then finally the ice
Your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Okay, pilots, I'm gonna kill you if you're gonna rough this landing. So let me rate this landing out of 10. Okay, slow and steady. Don't do shit. I'm gonna tie your legs. Okay. Stop the altitude. Come on. I told you to button. You stupid. So stupid. Bro, it's so stupid. I told you to land safely. Can you not even hear me? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard, and we are riding at New York City 5 hours and 30 minutes. Thank you for flying Panda Club Air, and those of you are flying because you're on Big Mac to walk. Anyways, on the behalf of the flight, thank you for flying Panda Club Air, but thank you to eating my whole menu that I just bought, like $1 billion. Panda Club Air. Oh hey Parker, how you doing then? I saw you ate my whole lunch. Oh my god, you're such a fan, Parker. Okay, let me open the door. Hi Miss Lawrence, how's your day? You're the only my teacher you're my best teacher ever. Do a lot of more jobs, can you at least help me? Oh, you're pregnant. Okay, bye. Bye, I'll miss you. Love you, Miss Lawrence. Anyways, that was interesting. That was Lawrence. Okay, what a coincidence. I did a 198.8. Okay, anyways, it's not a number. I don't care. Okay, I'm here in New York City. Okay, how many? Leaderboard? 39. We need like so many to go to get a real lounge. Real sky lounge. I mean, kind of uncomfortable with this like hat waistcoat thing. But I tried a waistcoat before. It's very comfortable. I mean, everybody hates uniform, but I kind of like it. Just my opinion. I got a second flight to catch. Now, this is the only way I have to skip. Still go. Okay, Wherever you go, you can stare at me. Bro. Okay. Okay, just don't stare at me. I'm gonna accept this. Don't you this? Nope. I'm not gonna listen to you, fatty. Anyways, I'm gonna create a flight to Roboxia, Panda Club Air, and then of course CRJ, and then 2026. Anyways, I'm tired of the basic seat. How about the upgraded seats? Of course, no business class lounge. Seat layout 0%. Liveries. What should the livery be? Delta Airlines should be, or like Panda Club Air. Yeah, that should be good. I don't like it. Delta. Wait a second. Wait, that seems great. I kind of love it. 500. Okay, I'll buy it then. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay, I kind of like it. So let me add the logo. No, this side. Panda Club Air. I'm gonna put enter, and then I'm gonna put in the metal bangers. Oh, that's creepy. No, everybody hates creepy. Oh, I can customize like this. I'm so dumb. Okay, let me just put it in the lower. No, in the middle. Not like, okay, never mind, forget it. Okay, anyways, entertainment. Let me just upgrade the Wi-Fi. Because I know Miss Lawrence, she like watching TikTok a lot, so she's gonna give me some small stars. Okay, I bought this, and then Russia, and then of course I need to buy more because of the Big Mac. London, I ate all of mine. So do Lyndon and Lucas. Okay, we'll create a flight. The CRJ 1200 crew is kind of suck. Okay, so let me choose that. Okay, gate 4, Panda Club Air. Need some present. Give me the present. Oh, I think Miss Lawrence is in our next flight. So let me just be quick after driving. Vroom. Oh, I need a bus. Okay, 888. W number. Okay, let me start academy before I go in. For some reason. Okay, welcome aboard. Okay. Let me use this. Boarding music on. Of course, who am I? Okay. I need no people in the cockpit. Of course, you know. And now get out of my way. You have free time to do that. Now you're wasting my time over here. Oh my gosh! Now get out. Okay. Sorry, guys. Like the upgrade seat. I hate doing like that. So let me do like this. I wonder Miss Lawrence. Hi, Lucas, for eating my home menu in the last flight. Now you're returning to Roblox here. Okay. Hi, Lyndon. You dye your hair on the way back, huh? Put your seat up, oh man. I know you need some rest, but the seatbelt light is on.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Hi, Miss Lawrence. Nice to see you again. Oh my God, I love your makeup. Anyways, thank you for following the rules. Okay, now old man, put your seatbelt on. You're about to fall off. Wait, is that Parker? Hi, Parker. Nice to see you again. Now you ate my whole Cheetos pop. Anyways, this Lawrence is behind me. Also, nice hairstyle. Okay, anyways, let me close the door. And then, of course, somebody don't know how to close the overhead bin. So I have to close the overhead bin myself. So I'm grateful. Okay.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Look at that, Panda Club Air. Okay, we see the takeoff. The limits. Okay, very shaky landing. Oh my god, the beautiful view. I love New York. I've been to New York City like 5 times in a row. I don't know why. Oh, I forgot to do my PA, get it? My PA. Okay. Bro. Okay, never mind.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard on Panda Club Air. As you can see, it's lunchtime now, and please don't eat the hell menu like the last flight, including you, Lyndon. Oh my god, Lyndon, you're such a big bag. How many you're gonna eat? You gonna like throw up or something? Oh my god, you're that fat? Okay. Like you're gonna play pregnant or something. Okay, you just want a Sprite? Oh my god, Sprite. How about eat orange juice? You're such a kid. Oh my gosh. It was some bean pretzels. Finally, you're not eating Cheetos because you're getting fat on that diet. You should get a diet. Save on your diet. Okay, anyways, you want some milk. Oh, so Miss Lawrence, and what star are you? Oh, you want to mix nuts. Okay, now you want to diet? But anyways, anything for you, my teacher. Okay, thank you. Oh, if my teacher had politeness, I'm like, let that. Of course, I'm like Parker. Okay, I think I need some milk. Okay, there's some chips. Okay, next picks and Sprite, and then crackers. Of course, you're a kid, so you want orange juice. Wait. Anyways, could you go to eat chips? Okay. Wait, is that Parker or is that Parker? Oh, the two is the different. Okay, thank you for eating my own nut. Oh, look. Anyways, okay. Wait a second. Look familiar. Wait. Hi, Haley. Nice to meet you, my crush. But crushing a flight, I can literally just For some reason, Haley has a crush on me, so I'm feeling like she's have a love on me. I mean, in 3rd grade, like Eliza, Parker, Lucas, and the teacher thought we have a crush. So I'm like, what the? On each other, you know what I mean? Everybody knows that. Anyways, what did Haley tell someone so they know? Anyways, that was Haley. Nice to meet you, Haley. You dye your hair yellow. Okay. Oh my God, how many do I even? Yeah, Haley, are you sure about that? I can literally even recognize your fake wig.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Then give me a trash. You have a lot of trash to take, everybody. You too, Lucas. Okay, anyways, anything for you, Miss Lance. You're my sweetest person in the world. Okay, unlike you, Parker, eating my own Cheetos. Hey, my honeymoon. Give me a chance. Okay, I'm so... Imagine my classmate watches this. He'll be like... Oh, dude, my classmate watches this.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Okay, let them put your seatbelt on. You know how to sit in the flight. You always wanna get up and put. That's why you shouldn't eat too much. You 40 pounds. Now put your tray table up. You heard the captain say, "Oh my God." Now put your seatbelt up. Seatbelt on, you old lady. You gonna fall off? Yeah, exactly. Look. It's my teacher. Oh, she's sorry. Even my teacher is not even in trouble in the once. Even you interrupting my sister. I mean my teacher, of course. Look, even my honeymoon knows the rules. Are you right? Perfect, honey. Okay, please. Okay, seatbelt on. I'm ready for landing. Okay, Captain, you're gonna land safety, right? Okay, land safety, please. Can you land safety? Okay, shut up the music. Okay, land safety. No, butter. I dare you to butter. Okay, did I shut it up? No, go to the left, go to the right. No, straight. No, attitude. That's what I'm saying. Attitude. Charles. Bad landing, Charles. Such a bad pilot, Charles. Tomorrow I'm gonna chase you out of here. I have a knife in my hand. Okay, anyways. In the club air, I made a new livery. Okay, skip to the taxi. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now at Roboxia. Thank you for flying Panda Club Air. We hope you have an enjoyable flight. On behalf of the flight, thank you for eating my home menu that I just bought for $1 million. And I'm including you, Lucas. You're such a big bag. Anyways, thank you for flying Panda Club Air. You're on YouTube, so be aware. Okay. Bye, Miss Lawrence. Can I get your phone number, Miss Lawrence? My phone. Hey, you forgot the phone number. Oh, you slipped your phone number in your hand. In my hand. Oh, bye, Haley. Bye, honeymoon, Haley. Okay, he just left behind me. I think he's scared of me. Anyways, I'm here on Robloxia. Boom. Anyways, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Bye.